Hey everyone, I'm Kate and I want to show you how you can create the new mix and match bundle on Fast Bundle. With the app, you can create mix and matches on products or collections. In the latest update of the app, by merging these two bundle types, the creation has been made even more simple and intuitive for merchants. You can now create a mix and match bundle and have the new improved storefront design. Stay tuned for a quick explanation on how to create such a bundle. As you may know, before this newest update, we had a product mix and match bundle type, which is the same as the products list bundle structure here, and a collection mix and match, which is the same as the section list bundle structure that we have here. I'm gonna give a quick explanation on what you need to do to create either of these, and then we're gonna see a real example of them. So in the first option, which is a list of products, you're offering the mix and match on a list of products. So you're giving your customers a list of products, which you have to include here, and then you're offering ranges of discounts on those products. Next, we have the section list, where instead of a list of products, you're going to be adding some collections. Basically, you can have a few collections and you can add them through here, through your Shopify collections, or creating a new one on the spot. And for each collection, you're going to specify an exact number of required items that the customer has to choose from in order to get the discount. And then you specify the discount and you can save the bundle. Okay, now that we've seen how to create the bundle, let's see what they look like on the storefront. First, I'm going to preview the bundle that says Buy More, Save More, which is a mix and match bundle defined on a list of products. As you can see, I have my list of products here and the ranges of discounts that I defined in the bundle. And by adding these items to my selection, I can qualify for the discounts that I've set up. And I can add it to my cart. Next, we have the mix and match that is defined on a section list. This one looks different. It has two sections, the hydrogen section from which I have to add 2 items. Let's add the 2 snowboards, and then I have a gifts and accessory section where I can add my gift card. That's it. Pretty simple, huh? Thank you for watching. Our support team is available 24/7 if you have any follow-up questions or need help with anything. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments. Happy bundling!